Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to use the dynamic zoom in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I'm already in a new DaVinci Resolve project, and now let's say you have literally some boring looking picture and you want to use it in a video but make it more dramatic. What you want to do is go to the right and click on dynamic zoom. Here you can see dynamic zoom ease and the swap button. If I've enabled it, we can just let the video play. You can see it zooms in all the way, like this. Okay, now let's talk about what the dynamic zoom ease means. Linear means that the speed of the zooming in always is the same. As you can see, it's always a linear speed. If I do ease in, for example, in the beginning, it zooms in very, very slow and it gets faster and faster. Ease out is the exact opposite, fast at the beginning and then getting slower. And the last one, ease in and out, slow, fast, and slow again. Okay, but now let's say that you don't want to zoom in all the way. What you want to do for this is click on the left here and click on dynamic zoom. So the green box means this is the starting point from the zooming, and the red lines mean that this will be the end point. Now you can just drag the red lines, for example, to this, and then let's start the video. And as you can see, it just zooms in a bit and not like all the way. If we do it like this, for example, very drastically, then you can see it zooms all the way into this. Okay, that was a little hack on how to use the dynamic zoom in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.